I knew I always wanted to help people basically from college. I have some physicians and nurses in the family, and I saw the amount of hope that they're able to offer people. I'm Dr. Judy, a hand and wrist surgeon at Rothman Orthopaedics, and I love surgery because I get to restore patients' function and quickly get them back to hobbies, sport, and work. For me, trust begins with transparency and communication. I believe it's essential that patients understand the diagnosis fully, the range of treatment options ranging from conservative to surgical, and the reasoning behind these recommendations. I also think that as a surgeon, it's very important that a patient feels comfortable enough to ask questions and confident enough to move forward with the plan that we build together. I think what sets me apart from other hand surgeons is the way that I approach patients. Oftentimes I tell patients, if you were my brother or my sister or my parent, this is my recommendation and why. I think restoring function is really important to me because oftentimes in orthopedic surgery, we can immediately see the effects of our surgery, whether it be fixing a broken bone or fixing a torn ligament. Oftentimes we're able to see improvements in function very early, and it's very rewarding to work with patients post-operatively with therapy, things like strengthening, in order to get them back to doing all the things that they wanted to prior. If you're suffering from nerve compression disorders, nerve injuries, trigger fingers, broken wrists, or broken bones in the hand and fingers, I would be honored to provide care for you. To book an appointment with me, Dr. Judy, please visit rothmanortho.com.